Hello, my name is Michelle Miller, and I'm an offering manager at InSource Solutions. Join us on Thursday, March 16th, as we provide a hands-on workshop for the Aviva WorkTasks software. Formerly known as Workflow or Skelta, WorkTasks is a business process management tool that is used to design and manage processes within our manufacturing environment. It allows organizations to connect things like their people, their materials, and their systems in an automated fashion in order to promote productivity. So in this hands-on workshop, we'll use a real-world scenario from a manufacturing environment where we'll take a form that's typically done on paper and digitize it. We'll then connect that digital form to a workflow, allowing us to eliminate things like process waiting time or that non-value added time that you typically see in a process in your operation. We'll then show how work tasks can really seamlessly link the product to third-party applications. Specifically, in this hands-on workshop, we'll be linking to a maintenance management system to show how we can directly generate a work notification by only using the work tasks product.